Good morning, it's Brent with Barkman. I'm here with Steve with Jenron, Calgary, Alberta. Can we start over? Yeah. Steve, how are you doing today?
Doing really good.
Good. Tell us about your project.
Yeah, so we're on the lake here in Auburn Bay, and so we wanted to keep a very natural feel. We wanted to have something that was keeping the natural element like what has in the dimensional flag, but also very usable. A lot of traffic happens on these in winter and in summer, so we decided this would be a great product to put down. It's beautiful, number one. It really complements the house in the area. We really like this because it's not slippery. It's a great product when it's wet, when it's dry, when it's raining, anything. We also use the lake in the winter for skating, so we have kids running down here when it's snowing or when it's icy or whatever too, right? So it's got some great grit to it, amazing color to it, all added that helps the snow to melt in the winter as well a little bit too, right?
Tell us a little bit about Jenron Creative Landscapes and what your focuses are.
Jenron Creative Landscapes has been around for 20 years. We're a residential construction company. We've worked with Barkman almost the entire time it's been in Calgary. We got onto them quick. We knew they were a great product from the beginning. With the help of you guys pushing what a good product it is, we've had no problems pushing it to our customers, and they've been very responsive to it as well.
As far as Rosetta products go from the Barkman line, what got Jenron started on Rosetta, or what was your introduction to the products?
We love Rosetta products. It's actually one of the products we use probably the most. Most of it is because of its style, so it fits well with our designs. We're able to sell it really easily to clients where we're keeping that natural element to their yards. And Rosetta is really one of the only brick products that we can find that in, where we can have structure, we can build walls like the outcropping, or we can build patios like the dimensional flag or even just the flag and make it look natural and give it a lot of style. So we love the Rosetta product in our lineup.
Steve, I appreciate your time, appreciate having us out here on site. It's an amazing property, beautiful view across the lake. We appreciate having you as a customer. We appreciate your support through the years, and we look forward to many more years to come.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.